I am Archana. Today we will learn about a very important concept in chemistry, that is mole concept. When we speak about mole concept, numericals are a real difficult topic for most of the students, whether be it board exams or competitive exams. So, if you are struggling with numericals pertaining to mole concept, today I'll discuss three important type of numericals pertaining to mole concept. So, let's begin. I'm sharing my whiteboard. Please get your pen and paper in order to understand this concept better. I'll be taking three types of problem. The first one is pertaining to limiting reagent. So the problem is maximum amount of nickel sulfide that can be precipitated on mixing 10 ml of 0.5 molar nickel sulfate with 20 ml of 1 molar hydrogen sulfide is. You have been given four options like 5 moles, 5 millimoles, 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 millimoles, 5 millimole, 5000 millimoles, so on and so forth. So let's begin. First, we will try to understand the various the various parameters given in this problem. So we have been given the molarity of nickel sulfide, given molarity and volume of nickel sulfide, and we have been also given molarity and volume of H2S. So nickel sulfate plus H2S will give you NiS, that is nickel sulfide, and side product will be sulfuric acid. So this is a very simple reaction, and I'll tell you how we can easily solve this numerical and arrive at the correct answer. First, we'll calculate the number of moles of nickel sulfate. So, nickel sulfate is 10 ml of 0.5 molar. That means how much amount or how much molarity is present in 1 liter. First, we'll calculate that. So that is 10 by 1000 will give you the molarity in liter multiplied by 0.5. So this will be, upon simplifying, we will get 0.5 into 10 to the power multiplied by 10 to the power minus 2 molar. Now, let us calculate the molarity of H2S. So, you have 1 into 20, because molarity of H2S is 1 molar and 20 ml of it is taken. That will be 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 molar. If you see both these reactants, which are present at the left-hand side of this particular equation, then we can see that nickel sulfate is the limiting reagent. So once nickel sulfate gets over, whatever is left off, excess of H2S is left off. So the nickel sulfide that will be formed will be dependent upon the nickel sulfate molarity. Hence, the nickel sulfide that is formed will be equal to 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 2 molar, because nickel sulfate is the limiting reagent. So we can rewrite it as 5 into 10 to the power 10 to the power minus 3 molar, which is nothing but my option 2. Option 2 of this numerical. So in this way, we can use the concept of limiting reagent and easily solve this numerical. Let's take another numerical. If a volume occupied by 16 gram of gas at STP is 5.6 liter, then gas evolved will be. It could be either methane or O2 or SO2 or SO3. No other data is given to us. So we will use the concept of STP and the definition of S2P. So 1 mole of any gas will always occupy the volume of 22.4 liter. So 1 mole of any gas